quiet, lovely, and the people here are quite friendly.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting no licks in the band. Legacies.
Is this place not beautiful enough for you to hit the like button? Oh my days, guys, this cathedral is so beautiful. I'm coming to pray, guys. Coming to pray.
Yes, you're very welcome. There's some extra time I think to cover. You just really have to nice.
Wow, you need to travel. You need to go to places and see things for yourself. Man, I've never been to a cathedral before, but I'm shocked, man. I'm overwhelmed by all the lovely things that I've seen today. Guys, I'm really close to the stadium. I learned that it's called Western Home Stadium. So just use this opportunity to go and see what the stadium looks like, you know. There you have it, Peterborough Stadium. You can have a really nice view from this spot. Just a small stadium. It's not really big to say. Peterborough is in championship. I believe in the bottom table. In case you want to know. Eat out to help out. I'm having a burger here and a Sprite. We need to support local business, you know. Hello guys, so I finally found the Prince of Peterborough. My man Casey, Alpha man.
Come on, I'm good, Ray. How are you doing, man?
So how is this place? How is Peterborough in general?
The area is quite calm, quiet, lovely, and the people here are quite friendly, per se. So it's a nice environment to be in. If you actually want that serenity in your life, you know,
I can see it's a very cool and cool environment.
It's a cool environment. Like I said, it's very quiet, and if you're the kind of person that really loves staying on your own, you have your quiet time, and you know you're not a noise fan and party thing. Yeah, Peterborough is the city. Though we don't have much of a nightlife, but it's still a nice city to be in.
So as a black man, do you feel safe here?
Yeah, absolutely. Trust me, these folks here are super friendly. They don't even care whether you're light skin, dark skin, whatever.
Okay.
They don't even care. They don't discriminate. So far, I've never experienced anything. So yeah, it's a lovely place, I must say.
So is there a university here?
No, not yet, but we're expecting one September 2022. Yeah, the University of Peterborough. So it's gonna draw a lot of people over here. And,
that would be mad.
The city is gonna like explode. Madness, absolute madness. Yeah, but fingers crossed, September 2022, we'll be having our uni here.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, sure.
So one last question.
Okay.
I discovered that you came from London to this place. A lot of people are moving from this place to London, other cities to London. So what gave you the impetus to move to this place?
Nah, come on. London is a nice city. Yeah, no. Nothing against it. It's just that, you know, it all depends on what you want in a city. London is quite noisy for me. It's a cool environment too, but it's quite noisy for me. But here, I came here and I kind of discovered that, yeah, if you just want to have a cool environment, quite serene, yeah, Peterborough is the city for you. Trust me, it is.
Thank you, my brother.
Cheers, mate.
Welcome to Newcastle, where we finish our journey today.
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm so